In this video, we will see how to create a virtual machine to use two operating systems at the same time, as you can see from what I'm doing in the video above. For this tutorial, we will use the Ubuntu operating system. First, let's look in the browser for the VirtualBox download. Click the first link. Install what you see me indicate on the screen. Don't forget to also install this essential extension package. And of course, the Ubuntu operating system. This one will take a little longer than the other two since it weighs 5 gigabytes. Now open VirtualBox and press the New button. This makes you create a virtual machine. You can call it as you wish. I called it Ubuntu since I will virtualize the Ubuntu operating system. Go to the Hardware section and increase the hardware dedicated to the virtual machine. Put a number of base memory less than or equal to the green stripe. Repeat this process also for the processor. In the hard disk section, you have to select how much memory to dedicate to it. There are 25 gigabytes selected, which will be the maximum you can use. Press the setting button of the newly created virtual machine and go to the display section. Increase the video memory to the maximum. And activate the 3D acceleration checkbox. Go to the storage section, select empty. And on optical drive, click on choose a disk file and select the Ubuntu file. Go back to general and on advanced, select bidirectional by drag and drop. Save the changes. Start the virtual machine by pressing the green arrow that says Start. In the menu with the three options, select Try or Install Ubuntu. Select the language and everything else it asks you for. Now complete these last simple steps. And enjoy your new dual operating system. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss new content.